Hi, in this video I show a project I worked on 2024. I made a backend on Laravel that is responsible for saving data and processing it. The backend works via API with MySQL database. The client part of the game is made on Unity by another developer. This is a Tamagotchi game where we need to feed an animal. Although I did not make the client part of the game, I still show it so that you have an idea of the backend project functionality. Only registered users can play. It is multi-language project. The main game goal is to feed an animal. The animal grows and its level rises. The game has connected cryptocurrencies payment system. There are different types of food in the game and different bonuses. Also, there is a player rating. The admin panel is made using Filament. Many features for project management are implemented here. We can create and configure food types. There is opportunity to manage game processes. Separate functionality for working with payments. There is a system to work with messages. We can send messages to the game or to user email. There is functionality to work with referral system. A flexible role system for admin panel has been implemented. There is detailed information about users' game data. From the admin panel, we can manage the game interface languages. Also, from the admin panel, we can manage and configure almost any text that is displayed to users. That's all. Thanks for watching.